Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter cup brownie bars. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then to make the brownies, in a medium bowl add the flour, sugar, brown sugar, cocoa powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the eggs, melted butter, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're combined. And add it into the dry ingredients, and mix them together until combined. Grease an 8 or 9 inch square baking pan with non-stick cooking spray, and line it with a sheet of parchment paper, and pour the batter into the pan and spread it out until it's even, and bake it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Try not to overbake it or it will lose its soft and fudgy texture. And once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. To make the peanut butter filling, in a medium bowl, add in the peanut butter. Then sift in the powdered sugar to get rid of any lumps. And add in the softened butter. And mix them together until they're combined. It's quite a stiff mixture, so if you like, you can use your hands to bring it together. Once the brownies are cooled completely, press the peanut butter filling evenly over the top of them, and place it into the freezer for at least a half an hour until they're firm. Meanwhile, chop up the chocolate into small pieces. You can use dark or semi-sweet, just don't use milk because you get plenty of sweetness from all the other elements of the dessert. You can melt the chocolate either in the microwave or over a double boiler, but I'm choosing to use this melting pot. And add in the peanut butter, and heat it until the chocolate is completely melted. And if you like, you can thin it out slightly with a bit of coconut oil or shortening. Once the brownies are nice and firm, remove them from the freezer. Run a butter knife around the edges to loosen them from the pan, and place them onto a cutting board and cut them into bar shapes. I'm using this pastry wheel divider as a guide. Place a sheet of parchment paper onto the counter, and dip the tops of each of the brownies into the melted chocolate, and place them onto the parchment paper. And I'm choosing to top them with Reese's Pieces, chopped peanuts, and peanut butter cups. You can top them with whatever you like or just leave them the way they are. To help the chocolate set faster, you can place them into the fridge or freezer. And that's how to make peanut butter cup brownie bars. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.